Alrighty, guys. So this is part 2 or an extension to the video about the JBL for twin speakers and how to get them both to play. And it was hard to make this video with only the phone, only talking to you guys. I did get a question here. Let me see if I can pull it up. If you guys give me a second here, we go to comments. I do see you guys' comments and I have gone through most of them. Thanks for the video. If you use with Spotify, you can choose both speakers, but only one works. In Apple, both works perfectly. Do you have a solution for that? Yes, there should be a solution for that. First of all, we need to make sure we have both speakers connected to the internet. Here we see one speaker. I'll connect that to, it has its own Wi-Fi. The other one pops up here. Now this basically makes a little connection to them both since they have built-in Wi-Fi, but not really sure what that's used for. Anyway, we want to find Google Home. And I just restarted my my internet. So this would be like the first time I get it up, just the same way as it will work for you guys. Let's go home. Let's go to devices. And we can see that the speakers here are not connected. So we're gonna add new devices that works with Google. I'm gonna make sure that they have the Bluetooth mark on. Now they are very low on power, so it might be a problem for me. I might have to do this video over again. You see how much that works with Google. Just gonna go with new device. It's gonna look for them. Alrighty, so both speakers pop up like this: JBL portable, JBL portable. So let's go with one, and then it's gonna connect it. Sorry if this video is gonna be a little bit like put it in. Now one is connected. Did you hear the sound? Yes, we did. No, we don't want to share our location. We're gonna put it, what's the room? We're gonna put it home. I'm gonna connect it to the internet. I'm gonna type in the password for the internet. So I'm gonna move you guys over here. There we go. Now we just wait. It's gonna connect one of the speakers. It's gonna give one of the speakers access to your Wi-Fi through the Google Home app, which should also be connected to your Wi-Fi. Now this might take a little while. Bada bing, bada boom, it's connected. And then we go next. Now, since this is a Google device, we're gonna do not matchmaking now. And then we're gonna go no. And here you choose Spotify, YouTube, Apple. It's not connected to my Apple Music because I don't use Apple Music, but I use YouTube Music and I use Spotify. Then we go next. We have both of these, but it's not important. Now we go next, and it's almost done. You see it pops up over here. And it's going to be a cast item at this point. That title is not important. All right.
Hei, jeg Google-assistenten din. Jeg her for å hjelpe.
Yeah, we don't need it.
For å finne noen ting du kan gjøre.
Yeah. So she speaks Norwegian, so it's this one that's connected, not this one. So that's going to be the first one. And now we're going to go to add item, new item, and just go next on your home, of course. It's going to look for items. If this one's not dead, I'm going to have to plug in a charger, something. Hold on, we give it some power so it can stay on. There you go. Click that one. It found one, which it says cabin 1. Since I had this on my cabin, that's why they look like that. But they do recognize them, even though my internet is completely reset. I figured that much, yeah. Okay, one of them, this one, needs power too, but should be available. Yep, so you can see it right there, it's available. The way you do this is you pull down this one and you click that little icon over there, and that picks up your speakers and TVs. So we can click that, and it's now connected. You see, now we are able to push more, and we can go to Spotify and play whatever songs and stuff like that. Let's go and add the other one. You see, we need this one. Let's add item. It's okay, even you run into problems, it's okay. This is not a fast video, this is basically me real time showing you guys how to connect them up with a little bit of sidetracking, but that's fine. Okay, it found the one. It's now working to connect it. Boom, I did hear a sound, yes. Let me go through the process one more time. And give it, okay, yeah, whatever. Name is not important. Not now. You can choose whatever name you want to identify them. If you have like a label or something, you put on the back, 1 or 2, and then you can put in a name here at this stage. Now it's connected to the Wi-Fi. And we're gonna go next. You have to go through this because it is considered a Google item. You don't want to do voice match. No, thank you. It's connected to Spotify and YouTube Music. Make sure these are whatever you have. Now you see it pops up here.
Hei, jeg Google-assistenten din. Jeg her for å hjelpe.
Now they are both
Fortsett I
here.
Google Home-appen for å finne noen ting du kan gjøre.
Okay, so it says home 3. I don't know where home 2 is, but now they're both connected, right? So then let's go find something we can actually play. Where's search? Here we go. And now we'll pull this one down. And we open here. You see one is connected. And then we click on the other one. You see here. I'm gonna make sure you guys see it. They both have power, right? I think only one of them has power. So the thing I wanted to show you guys is that when these pop up, you can actually click both and use them both. They are a lot of power, I believe. Yeah. Is it charging or is it on? I think it's on. To find them, you can either hold here. You can choose, you see which is playing. You can go all the way up here. And you click the corner. And down here, they should both pop up if you did what I did as you saw earlier. Now one of them is out of power. So we're gonna disconnect that one. And connect this one, give it a little bit of juice. Turn it on. Now this is real time, so you guys can like follow along. It is on, yeah. So one of them plays music now. Let's get this one over here. Boom. It's over there on the right side. And now this one is connected. You see it pops up here. We can then click on it. Wow, now we have connection to the both of them. And we click play. Music comes out of this one. And music comes out of this one. You see, it says 2 speakers. That one is playing, and that one is playing. So it should be that simple. It shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to do this. So you pull down here. If you already done the Google Home system, they should all be popping up. You should have them connected to your Google Home, as I told you in the first video. Google Home, make sure they're both connected. Make sure they're both on. And then go to Spotify and start playing first. Like, remember to click play first, so you can actually get them up here. Once this says that you're playing something, you can click the little icon right there. You want to see right in the right corner, it pops this one up. Then they pop up down here. You can click one of them. If this circles doesn't pop up, click one of them, wait, and then the other circle should pop up. So now I have my Mac and both connected. So, as long as you have your items synced up, connected, you should be able to have them all linked up and you can get them to play. Now I'll do this. I'll turn the sound up here. Now one of them died, I believe, or it's disconnected. So It's still finger keys because this is new. But all of these should be clickable and you can have them all connected. Now all of them are connected. I hope you guys found this real-time video helpful as an addition to this one. Hope I answered some questions. Let me go to this the comments here. Let's go. I should have well, thanks for the video. I think simple Bluetooth speaker, but functionality looks like Amazon Alexa need internet connection to work well. Yes, they do. I have answered most of you guys here, and I hope this video worked out well for you. If it did not, I'll try to make a better video. I don't know how to do that because I showed you guys in real time how to do this. And yeah, they both work for me, and even the iMac. So you can have your iMac and both speakers on the side playing at the same time, and you can individually choose how much you want them to play, like how much sound you want out of them. It should work. If it doesn't work, go back in the video, watch it again, do it again, and see what you might have missed. But I'm pretty sure I've told you guys that you need to connect them both through your Google Home and have them connected to your internet. Have all the devices you want to play connected to the same internet, because adoy. And hope that works for you guys. If not, do leave me a comment and I'll answer as fast as I get them. With that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I hope you guys figure it out. I'll see if I can find something else to help you with, if there's any other items or stuff that you guys are unsure about, or have any other questions linked to other kinds of devices. Yeah, and keep in mind, this is for Apple. I do not currently have a Android device, so I can't really show how that works on Android, but there's a million videos on Android, almost no videos on Apple. And that's why in general I made this video. So yeah, hope that clarify things, and hope you guys are happy about this video. If not, I'll make a shorter one with point-to-point basis and really make it as simple as possible. But here you guys saw what I did, and you should be able to do the same. If not, that's your issue. See you guys in the next one. Thank you and take care.